Welcome to my Learning English channel. Hello friends, I am Vishnu. You are watching my Learning English channel. In this video, we will learn how to use preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun, and preposition denotes the relation, the person or thing. 10 important prepositions are during, expect, inside, into, beside, towards, over, past, since, with. Number 1. During. I was enjoying during my college time. She was crying during the lunch. I had a good time in Bangalore during 2017 to 2018. I went to Nandi Hills during the vacation. Number 2. Expect. I expect better from you. Do you expect better for me? Don't expect anyone, do yourself. We expect to come. Number 3. Inside. We waited inside the mall. He kept his hands inside his pockets. Go inside. Come inside. Just go inside. I am going inside. It's dark inside. Number 4. Into. He jumped into the river. APJ Abdul Kalam words put courage into every heart. Go into the lab. Go into the car. Come into my room. Look into the box. Number 5. Beside. The woman who sat beside him was her wife. Please sit beside me. That's beside the point I am making. May I sit beside you? Number 6. Towards. Come towards the bus stop. Go towards the hospital. Come towards me. She is running towards the station. Number 7. Over. There is a bridge over the Ganga river. There is a railway bridge over the Brahmaputra river. Game is over. Don't speak over me. Don't do overacting. Number 8. Past. My past was not good. Past will never come. Number 9. Since. I have been working on YouTube since 2017. I have been living in Bangalore since 5 years. She had been working a company since 2 years. He has been teaching in college since 20 years. Number 10. With. The snake was killed by him with a stick. The letter was written by me with a pen. He is playing with his brother. I have no relation with her. I agree with you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I upload new topics about spoken English. Thank